Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting proof. Verify your work credits, diagnosis, and that the condition meets duration requirements. Once done, gather ID, contact info for doctors, and copies of relevant tests and medications. Those medical records carry weight. Next, start the application immediately online or by phone. You will get a confirmation number to track the claim. If you need someone to help, appoint a representative early and submit Form SSA 1696 to authorize them. Now focus on the complex middle. Build a tight medical timeline and match clinical evidence to SSA criteria. Ask treating clinicians for explicit statements about functional limits and include objective test results. Doctors who describe daily restrictions help the decision. Fill residual functional capacity details carefully, describing specific activities you cannot perform and time off task. Make sure to list all work attempts, accommodations tried, and side effects from meds. Package records chronologically and submit via the portal or SSA file. Upload to avoid. You will receive a decision. If approved, follow benefit setup steps and report any work changes. If denied, act quickly. File a reconsideration or request a hearing within 60 days and add updated records and a representative if needed. Prepare a concise chronology and witness statements for the hearing to clarify function. Final troubleshooting tip. If progress stalls, obtain a detailed treating provider letter that ties limitations to objective findings. That single clear opinion often changes outcomes when earlier records were ambiguous.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.